Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to screen record on any iPhone 16 model step by step. Let's get started. Once you're on your iPhone's home screen, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. If you don't see the screen recording button here, press and hold anywhere for a few seconds. Tap Add a Control, and from the list, find and tap Screen Recording to add it to your control center. Now go back to the control center, and you'll see the screen recording icon. Press and hold the icon to access more options. Here you can choose where you want your screen recording to be saved. By default, it's set to the Photos app. You can also turn on the microphone for your recording by tapping the mic icon. Once you're ready, tap Start Recording. A short countdown will appear and your screen recording will begin. Swipe up to exit the control center. A red indicator will show that the screen is currently being recorded. To stop recording, open the control center again and tap the red screen recording icon. You'll see a message confirming the video has been saved to your photos. Go to the Photos app and you'll find your screen recording there, ready to watch or share. And that's it. Now you know how to screen record on your iPhone 16.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.